Well, it's the 21st of June, International Day of Yoga, and this year marks the 10th edition with the theme Yoga for Self and Society. The age-old practice of yoga represents the harmony of mind and body and has gained immense popularity in the past decade, ever since the United Nations declared this date as a special day for yoga. Let's take a look at how the International Day of Yoga was celebrated, or rather is being celebrated across India and the world. Times Square, Dubai, Bangkok, Bhuta Caves as well. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the celebrations in Srinagar. The event took place in the Winter Hall of Sher-e-Kashmir International Conference Centre due to continuous rains this morning in Kashmir. Initially, the event was planned at the venue on the banks of the picturesque Dal Lake. However, the rains did not dampen the spirit of the celebrations. Prime Minister Modi urged everyone to make yoga a part of their daily lives. The United Nations declared June 21st as the International Day of Yoga after adopting a measure proposed by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And today, 10 years later, yoga has connected the world like never before.
साथियों, इंटरनेशनल योगा डे 10 वर्ष की ऐतिहासिक यात्रा पूरी कर चुका है। 2014 में मैंने यूनाइटेड नेशंस में इंटरनेशनल योगा डे का प्रस्ताव रखा था। भारत के इस प्रस्ताव का 177 देशों ने 177 समर्थन किया था और ये अपने आप में एक रिकॉर्ड था। तब से योग दिवस लगातार नए रिकॉर्ड बनाता जा रहा है।
In other parts of India too, the excitement was palpable in Siachen. Indian Army personnel performed yoga in icy heights on the northern frontier. Indo-Tibetan Border Police, the ITBP, or the ITBP as I mentioned, they performed yoga at Muguthang subsector in North Sikkim at an altitude of more than 15,000 feet. Visuals from Ladakh. School children performed yoga at Pangong So in Leh on the 10th International Yoga Day. Then Indian Navy personnel performed various yoga asanas, including Surya Namaskar on board various combat vessels, including the warship INS Tarkash. INS Teg was among other Navy vessels that served as the platform for the International Day of Yoga. Also making its waves across the sea on board the aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. Take a look at these breathtaking visuals.